Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've been replaced. Not by another person. Not by a better employee. But by a perfect AI replica of you. It talks like you. It works like you. It even looks like you. And worst of all, it does your job better and cheaper. This isn't science fiction. It's real. And for the first time in history, a human is taking their own AI clone to court. Will this case change the future of work? Or is it already too late? Let's dive in. The first AI clone lawsuit. What happened? Meet David Reynolds, a marketing executive who spent 10 years building his career. Superscript 1. One day, he walks into work and gets shocking news that he's been fired. Superscript 1. His replacement? A hyper-realistic AI clone that sounds, writes, and makes decisions just like him. Superscript 1. The company trained the AI using David's own emails, meetings, and voice recordings. And here's the kicker: David never agreed to this. Feeling betrayed and furious, he made history by becoming the first person to sue the right win. How AI clones are replacing workers. Current AI clones are not just replacing customer service agents and cashiers. Now, they're coming for white-collar jobs like AO. Marketing. Writing. AI can generate emails, campaigns, and ads faster than humans. AO. Legal consulting. AI clones can analyze contracts and advise clients. AO. Actors. Influencers. AI-generated humans are already replacing models and voiceover artists. The scary part? Companies are training AI models on their own employees and then firing them. David's case might be the first, but it won't be the last. The legal battle. Can AI be sued? 1/4. Can David actually win this lawsuit? His lawyers argue that, Superscript 1. The AI clone was trained without his consent. Superscript 1. The company profited off his identity without paying him. Superscript 1. This sets a dangerous precedent for all workers. But here's the problem: AI laws are outdated. There are no clear rules about using AI clones in the workplace. If David loses, it could mean AI can legally replace any AI without permission. The bigger picture. Are any jobs safe? Experts say 300 million jobs could be automated in the next decade. Registered. Here's what's next. AO. AI clones will replace more white-collar jobs like HR, finance, and even news anchors. AO. Companies will stop hiring humans, so they'll just use AI versions of existing employees. AO. I may soon become the boss, making business decisions without humans at all. The future of work is changing and fast. The question is, will workers fight back? Or will AI take over completely? What this means for you. So, what can you do to stay ahead of AI? Superscript 1. Upgrade your skills. AI can't replace creative, strategic thinking. Superscript 1. Use AI as a tool. The best workers will work with AI, not against it. The superscript 1 push for I laws. A governments must regulate I before it's too late. Ethyn David's lawsuit could change everything. If he wins, companies might be forced to compensate workers for I clones. But if he loses, I will take over faster than we ever imagined. I is advancing at lightning speed. The question is, are we moving too fast? What do you think? Should I clones be allowed to replace workers? Or should we fight back? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for the latest tech news before I replaces us all.